Impactlc reading rubrikasiga xush kelibsiz va bugungi darsimizda biz multiple choice qiyin savol turlarini ko'rib chiqamiz. Ko'pchilik so'rashdi, multiple choice qiyin savollarni ham qilinglar deyishdi va endi qilishga qaror qildik. Va bu testimizda Cambridge 9, Passage 3 and Test 3 probably, I don't know. Like Test 2, Passage 3 haqida gaplashamiz. Ikkinchi test va uchinchi Passage, ya'ni text ekan, uchinchi matn ekan va bu qismda o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek it's like hard topic, qiyin topic. A neuroscientist reveals how to say differently, ya'ni neuroolim qanaqa boshqacha gapni o'ylashni reveal qilar ekan, bizga ochib berar ekan. Xo'p, demak birgalikda bu tekstni o'qishga kirishamiz. Lekin birinchilikdan o'qishdan oldin savolimizga qarab olishimiz kerak. Savolimizda bu qismda multiple choice questions. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, bu qismda bizda 5 ta multiple choice savollari bor va they're not hard, I think. I don't know. Maybe they're hard. I'm just gonna read and see. Xo'p, birinchi navbatda savolni o'qib olaman va javoblarni o'qishga kirishaman. Xo'p, ketdik birgalikda 27. Neuroeconomics is a field of study which seeks to, demak, neuroeconomica qanaqadir o'sha fan qismi, sohasi seeks to qidiradi, demaydi. Ishit nima? Ko'ramiz, topamiz. Xo'p, neuroeconomics so'zini topib olishimiz kerak birinchi navbatda. Xo'p. Topdik. Demak, birinchi paragraf, uchinchi line, the third line. These discoveries have led to the field known as neuroeconomics, which studies the brain's secret to success in an economic environment that demands innovation and being able to do things differently from competitors. Xo'p, demak, bu qismda o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, which studies brain's secrets to success. Xo'p, brainning secretlarni o'qirgan, that demands innovation and being able to do things differently. A brain that can do this is iconoclastic one. Briefly, an iconoclast is a person who does something that others say can't be done. Okay, it's a person who does something that others think can be done. Hop, savolga qaytamiz va o'qishga harakat qilamiz. Neuroeconomics causes a change in how scientists understand what cause, which seeks to cause. Xo'p, demak, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, qarang, bu qismda o'zingiz tushuna olishingiz kerak. Seeks to dan keyin verb 1 kelish kerak bizga. Biz verb 1 ni qidiryapmiz. Seeks to find, seeks to profit, seeks to want, right? Endi o'sha narsani topishimiz kerak. Hoppa. Xo'p, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, demak, bu qismda verb 1 kerak bo'ladi bizga. Verb 1 ni topishga harakat qilish. Deymiz. Xo'p, ketdik. Which seeks to verbs to do something, right? To demand, to want, to wish, to desire. Shunaqa narsalarni topishimiz kerak. Xo'p, demak, seeks to cause a change. Cause a change in how scientists understand the brain chemistry. No information about it. No, like logically, no. Like to'g'ri javob emas. Nimandir o'zgartirishga sabab bo'lishi xohlasharga bunaqa ma'lumot yo'q. Understand how good decisions are made in the brain. Maybe understanding how the brain is linked to achievements in competitive fields. No information. There's information about competitive fields. How the brain is linked to achievements in competitive. Maybe traces specific firing patterns of neurons in different areas of the brain. Hop, turli xil parts of the brain da ma'lumotlarni o'sha specific firing patterns, ya'ni fire qilingan patternlarni topib olishga harakat qilish yo'q. B bilan C javobimizga taxminiy javoblarimiz bor. Xo'p, tekstga qaytamiz, o'qiymiz. Brain's secrets to success in an economic environment that demands innovation and able to do things differently from competitors. Demak, competitor degan keyword borligi sababli men C'ni olishga katta ahamiyat berishim kerak, chunki studies understands how brain is linked to achievement, how brain's like secret of success, it's achievement, I think. Yeah, brain's secrets to success bu qismda muvaffaqiyatga sekretlari, demak bu qismda link to achievement ga to'g'ri keladi. Competitive field competitorga sinonim bo'lganligi sababli C ni oldik. B ni olmaganligimiz sabab bu yoqda faqatgina good decisions berilgan. Good decision haqida ma'lumot bo'lsa ham, lekin uchun unchalik spesifik emas, juda ham general gap bo'lgani uchun uni olmadik, chunki u neuroscience ishi, neuroeconomics ishi competitive ga bog'langan hisoblanadi. 28 o'qiymiz. According to the writer, hop, iconoclasts are distinctive because, hop, buni o'qidik shekilli. Paragraf oxirida o'qigandik. qaraymiz, javob belgilab ketamiz. Demak, bu javobimiz 27-savolga javob bo'ldi. Competitor degan so'zni oldim. Success ikkita so'zni keyword qilib oldim. Shuning uchun ham 27-savolga javob deb olishga harakat qildim. Undan keyin iconoclastic ones. Iconoclast is a person who does something that others say cannot be done. Xo'p, bu odam o'sha ishni qilar ekan, boshqa odamlar qilib bo'lmaydi, iloji yo'q degan narsani qilishga harakat qilar ekan. They create unusual brain circuits. No, boshqa circuit yaratmaydi. Function differently. Maybe their personalities are distinctive. I don't think so. Personalities. Qanaqa personality? Yo'q, unaqa ma'lumot yo'q-ku. They make decisions easily. No, I don't think so. Maybe there's more further information. Xo'p, demak, further information bor ekan. Shuning uchun ham qiyinda, shuning uchun ham qarang. Oxirigacha o'qishingiz kerak, iconoclastni topishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Masalan, ahmoqqa o'xshab vaqtimni olib, qilmanglar, shu vaqtimni olib 28 ni optionlarga qarab qo'ydim. Optionlarga umuman qaramaslik kerak. Chunki optionlarga qarash faqat vaqtni sarflashingizga, vaqtni bekorga ketkazishingizga sabab bo'ladi. Vaqtingizni bekorga ketkazmaslik uchun birinchi navbatda tekstni o'qib olib, tekstni tushungandan keyin savolga qaytishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Xo'p, tekstga qaytamiz. This definition implies that iconoclasts are different from other people. Xo'p, okay, fine. But more precisely, it is their brains that are different in 3 distinct ways. Okay. Perception, fear response, and social intelligence. Each of these same functions utilize a different circuit in the brain. Okay. Naysayers might suggest that the brain is irrelevant, that thinking in original, even revolutionary way is more a matter of personality than brain function. Okay. Xo'p, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, bu qismda naysayers bunaqa naysayerlarni topib jo'nata olishlar. Naysayers o'ylashar ekanki, bu personality haqida, bu brain haqida emas deyishar ekan, unaqa emasligini ko'rdik. But the field of neuroeconomics was born out of realization that the physical workings of the brain placed limitations on the way we make decisions. Oh, really? Qanaqa qilib qaror qabul qilishimizga limitatsiya berar ekan, physical ishlashaman buni. By understanding these constraints, we begin to understand why some people march to different drum beat. Xo'p, bu narsani tushungan orqali biz odamlar turli xil ravishda, turli xil march to different drum beat, ya'ni turli xil qo'shiqqa turli xil ravishda marsh qilishini tushunar ekanmiz. Demak, bu idiomda, bu phrase, buni tushunib olishingiz kerak. Demak, odamlar har xil ishlashini tushunib olar ekanmiz deyishdi. Tekstga qaytamiz. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like, o'zbek tilini ham qoyillatmayman, ingliz tilini ham gapirmayman, shuning uchun ham uzr so'rayman agar tushunarsiz bo'lsa. Xo'p, they create unusual brain circuits. Now I think it's maybe their brain functions differently. Yes, of course. That's my answer is B. Like, different. Their brains are different in 3 distinct ways. Bu javob bo'ladi. 28-savolga javob bu ularning miyasi turli xil tarzda ishlaydi. Ular perception, ya'ni tushunish, tushuncha, fear response and social intelligence. Xo'p, demak, B'ni olamiz. Bo'ldi. Keyingi qism. Maybe it's wrong. According to the writer, brain works efficiently because efficiently degan joyini topishimiz kerak. Xo'p, ketdik. First thing to realize that the brain suffers from limited resources. Okay. Yes, possible. Xo'p, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek yozishgan. It has a fixed energy budget. Fixed, ya'ni xo'p, fixedni qo'yib yuborasizlar. Demak, yetarlicha bunaqa fixed energy borligi uchun o'sha uchun efficient ishlashga evolve qilgan degan savolni javobini ko'rdik. Demak, javoblarga qarab chiqamiz. Uses the eyes quickly? Nope. Interprets data logically? Nope. Generates its own energy? Nope. Oh, I don't have information here. Bu demak, bu qismda javoblarim yo'q. Shuning uchun ham tekstga qaytishim kerak edi, yana bir marta o'qib olishim kerak. Normal odamga o'xshash kerak. Bo'ldi. This is where most people are impeded from being in iconoclast. Okay, for example, when confronted with information streaming from eyes, the brain interprets information in the quickest possible ways, drawn both past experience and any other source of information, such as what other people say, to make sense of what is seen. This happens all the time. This brain takes shortcuts that work so well that we are hardly ever aware of them. Okay. We think our perceptions of the world are real, but they are only biological and electrical rumblings. Hop. Perception real deb hisoblaymiz, lekin electrical bilan biological rumbling deb aytishdi. Perception is not simply a product of what your eyes and ears transmit to your brain. More than a physical reality of photos and sound waves, perception is product of the brain. Okay, fine, whatever. Hop, topamiz endi. It used the eyes quickly. No. Qo'yadigan javob haqida umuman javob yo'qligi uchun no. It interprets data logically. I don't think so. It cannot interpret data logically. Bunda yozilganda. Quickest possible way deganda. Hop, logically yo'q. Generates its own energy. Nope. It relies on previous events. Yes, it relies on previous events. Previous events and what other people said. It relies on two things. They talked about this information. Bu haqida ma'lumot berishganda, shuning uchun ham shu savolni katta ehtimol bilan olishimiz mumkin bo'ladi menimcha. Yana bilmadim, ko'ramiz. Balki xato qilgandirman, ko'ramiz. The writer says that perception is. Hop, perceptionni tushuntirishga harakat qilishibdi. Perceptionni keyingi paragrafda ko'rishimiz mumkin bo'lsa kerak. Ha, keyingi paragrafda berilgan. Hop, bu 28, mana bu 29. Where about this? Here. 29. Hop, keyingisi. Perception is central to iconoclasm. Iconoclasts see things differently to other people. Their brains don't fall into efficiency pitfalls. Okay, as much as the average person. Okay. Because they were born that way or through learning, they have found ways to work around the perceptual shortcuts. Or, as that plague most people, perception is not something that is hardwired. Not hardwired. Deyishdi, demak, bu tug'ilganingizdan yo'q, uni develop qilishingiz mumkin ekan. Into the brain. Oh, come on, man. The brain, it's learned process. It's a learned process, which is both a curse and opportunity for a change. The brain faces the fundamental problem of interpreting physical stimuli from the senses. Hop, yana. Everything the brain sees here has multiple interpretations. The one is ultimately chosen in simple brains to best theory. In technical terms, those conjectures have their base in the statistical likelihood of one's interpretation after another, influenced by the past experience. Importantly, for potential inclination, what other people say. Hop. Perception haqida tushundik. Hop, ketdik. A combination of photos and sound waves. Nope. Reliable product of what you sense transmits. Nope. A result of brain process. Yes. Process where are you really conscious of? Nope. We're unconscious of this thing. Bu yerda yozishgan, masalan, yozishgan bu qismda qaysi qism deydi? E'tiborda unaware. This happens all the time. Hardly ever aware of them. 29 yozilgan. Hardly ever aware of them. Demak, we're not aware. Biz bilmaymiz u narsani. Conscious emasmiz bu haqida. Ketdi. Brain processes to'g'ri. Reliable product emas. Bu tushunasiz. Unaqa o'qib olsangiz tushunasiz. Combination of photons and sound waves emas. Chunki it's not simply a combination of photons mana yozilgan. It's not simply yozilgan. More than that, physical reality of photons and sound waves, perception is a product of the brain. Product of the brain, result of the brain processes. Mana javob shu degan o'zi. Mana 30 ekan. Ana shu javob ekan demak. Demak, bitta paragraf ortiqcha o'qib olibman. Mana 30 shu yerda ekan. Perhaps this is a product of the brain. Demak, perception is a product of brain. Xo'p, kalim ishlamabdi. O'shani o'qishsam bo'lar ekan, masalan, perception is qilsam bo'lar ekanda, keyin savolga qarasam bo'lar ekan. Tekst o'qishsam, perception desam bo'lar ekan. Lekin ko'pchilik vaziyatlarda esingizdan chiqib ketadi savol. Masalan, tekstni o'qiyotganingizda savol esingizdan chiqib ketadi. Tekst savolni o'qib tekst o'qiyotganingizda yoki tekstni birdaniga savol o'qimasdan o'qiganingizda tekstdagi qismlar esingizdan chiqib ketadi. Shuning uchun ham bu qiyin turib, endi oddiy, masalan, men oddiy topolmayman, balki xato chiqar. Hop, according to the writer, an iconoclastic thinker. Hop, iconoclastic thinker topishimiz kerak ekan. Iconoclastic thinker, where are you, iconoclastic thinker? Where are you? Okay. Shunda bo'lishi kerak-da. O'qidim-ku, learn process degan bir narsalardan ko'ringchi. Bordir o'sha javobda. Hop, according to the writer, an iconoclastic thinker is centralized perceptual thinking in part of no, avoids cognitive traps. Yes, has a brain that is hardwired for learning. Nope. Not hardwired deyishdi. Not hardwired deyishdi. O'sha uchun ham nope. Has more opportunities than average person. No information about it, thank you. Hop, demak, B javobni oldim. Demak, bu qismda chunki mana bu yerda yozilgan iconoclasts either because they were born that way or through learning have found ways to work around the perceptual shortcuts. Nima degani? O'sha perceptual sizni energiyangizni sarflashni kamaytiradigan shortcutlarni orasidan yo'llarni topib olgan, shuning uchun ham cognitive traplarni qochishadi deyishgan. Hardwired deyishmagan, chunki u learning process bo'lishi mumkin, shuning uchun ham C o'tib ketadi. One part of the brain haqida ma'lumot yo'q, shuning uchun A chiqib ketadi. D da opportunities haqida umuman gap berilmagan bu yerda. No opportunity haqida gap berilmaganligi sababli o'sha ham chiqib ketadi. O'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, bu multiple choice savollarga javoblarni turi edi. Shunaqa qilib bajarishga harakat qildik. Shunaqa shaklda o'z qog'ozim o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek kurs to'g'risida shunaqa vaziyatga tushdik. Savolimni javoblari ham tartibda keldi. 31 bu yoqda bo'ldi. O'zi 27, 28, 29, 31 mi? Shunaqa. 5 ta. Xo'p, o'zingiz ko'rganingizdek, bu qismda meni tekstim shunaqa ahvolga keldi. Hammasini keywordlar bilan topishga harakat qildim. Mana kurs to'g'risida. Shunaqa ahvol, shunaqa vaziyat. Xo'p, demak, shu bilan bugungi videomizga yakun yasaymiz va sizni keyingi videolarda kutib qolamiz. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful. That's it.